Number 1. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is the ultimate action camera that sets the bar high for its competitors. With its impressive HDR video and photo capabilities, you can capture stunning footage in any lighting condition. Whether you're shooting in bright sunlight or in the shadows, the HDR feature ensures that every detail is preserved, resulting in dynamic and true-to-life videos and photos. What sets the Hero 12 Black apart from the rest is its unmatched image quality. With its 5.3K video resolution, you get 91% more resolution than 4K cameras, delivering crisp detail and cinematic quality. On top of that, the camera takes 27 megapixel photos, allowing you to capture breathtaking shots. The GoPro Quick app even lets you extract stunning photos up to 24.7 megapixel from your videos. The Emmy Award-winning HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization technology takes your footage to the next level. Whether you're on a bumpy bike ride or chasing your kids through the park, the camera ensures silky smooth footage, minimizing shakiness without compromising the image quality. Durability is another highlight of the Hero 12 Black. It's waterproof up to 33 feet, making it ready for any adventure. The rugged design can withstand tough conditions, and the water-repelling lens cover improves photo and video quality by eliminating lens flare. While this camera has numerous benefits, there is one minor drawback. The high-resolution videos and photos take up a lot of storage space. However, with the incredible image quality it provides, this is a small price to pay. In conclusion, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is the best action camera overall. Its HDR capabilities, stunning image quality, top-notch stabilization, and rugged durability make it a standout choice for capturing all your action-packed moments. Don't miss out on experiencing the GoPro difference. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection